Welcome to the real-time detection showcase of my platform. Here, we see the system running in standby mode. Using a top-down camera feed focused on the checkout tray, the system sits ready to automatically detect products the moment they are presented to the sensor. To ensure operational flexibility, the interface provides cashiers with a swift edit receipt modal before finalizing orders. This allows for manual quantity or label adjustments if necessary. The system supports multiple payment integrations, permitting the user to switch settlement methods effortlessly before proceeding. As soon as pastries are placed on the tray, our trained deep learning model processes the frames instantly. The system seamlessly detects and draws precise bounding boxes around multiple overlapping objects in real time. On the right, the billing engine automatically translates these visual detections into an itemized receipt, calculating totals instantaneously without human intervention. Upon payment confirmation, a standardized invoice print layout is generated for the customer. The transaction is securely archived in our back-end system. Once the items are removed from the counter, the frame resets immediately back to standby mode, prepared for the next customer checkout. We begin here on the landing and authentication interface, built using a responsive layout. The portal provides secure role-based access control, allowing administrators, managers, and system annotators to log in safely using their encrypted credentials. Upon logging in, the user is directed to the primary analytics dashboard. This area aggregates high-level metrics crucial for business and AI performance oversight. We can monitor total active system entities such as categories and pastry types alongside dynamic data visualizations. Navigating to the user's module, we see our fine-grained access control in action. Administrators can effortlessly provision new user profiles, dictate specific security roles such as a cashier or annotator, and assign restricted data environments or structural scopes to guarantee clean data isolation and organizational privacy. Complementing user management is our roles engine. Instead of hard-coded access levels, the system supports custom role definitions. Every back-end route and front-end capability is bound to granular permission matrices, ensuring the application conforms strictly to least privilege security principles. Under the Categories tab, the system displays its inventory organization structure. Users can manage or add menu categories, configure custom display icons, and establish parent-child relational mappings to neatly structure product data schemas. The Pastries management page presents our physical inventory library in a clean grid interface. New items can be added with associated prices, visual classifications, and custom minimum inference confidence thresholds, which directly calibrate how strictly our deep learning models identify these items during operations. A core component of this project is its integrated data pipeline. The datasets module acts as our machine learning sandbox. Users can monitor annotation progress, import zipped external dataset bundles, or instantiate empty data environments directly within the cloud infrastructure to continually expand model training foundations. To close the loop between software operations and ML model accuracy, the system features a built-in bounding box canvas tool. Annotators can view machine-predicted regions, adjust bounding boxes, correct class labels manually, and explicitly submit high-quality data directly back into the dataset pool. The workflow contains a rigorous validation engine where supervisors can audit active images sequentially. This streamlined pipeline supports swift drop-down reclassifications, boundary adjustments, and batch confirmations, guaranteeing that only high-confidence data enters the downstream training iterations. Transparency is maintained via our annotation statistics view. This dashboard provides complete operational tracking by logging chronological workspace actions, daily production metrics, and exact individual user contributions to maintain auditing compliance. The application handles deep learning lifecycles through our model training orchestration interface. From this console, developers can initiate training pipelines over custom datasets. The platform exposes granular configuration parameters including training epochs, batch dimensions, learning rates, and target input dimensions alongside toggles for data augmentation like rotation, scaling, and translation to optimize training performance directly from the UI. Once training completes, the system compiles exhaustive evaluation reporting. We can track macroscopic accuracies alongside precise validation tables documenting precision, recall, and mean average precision across distinct object thresholds. Historical charts map regression losses across training steps, empowering researchers to assess model convergence and prevent overfitting. When the system operates in real time, it acts as an automated point-of-sale terminal. Every customer transaction registers in this ledger, archiving transaction totals, structured product breakdowns, and the exact computer vision capture frame showing the detected bounding boxes, enabling complete verification of automated purchases. For business intelligence and executive review, the report management engine permits targeted query compiling. Users can select customizable evaluation boundaries and export complex analytical layouts, rendering structural summaries across multiple paradigms, such as radar performance distributions and itemized tabular sales logs. System scaling is managed via the Administration Settings interface. Here, system behavior parameters including branding assets, global interface parameters, supported payment methods, and target QR codes for digital billing can be adjusted instantly to meet changing deployment environments. We conclude with our built-in platform technical documentation portal. This tab ensures complete system maintainability by providing detailed blueprints of the microservice interaction layer, entity relationship database schemas, and structured REST API route lists linking our Vue.js and Laravel management backend with the high-performance Python fast API service responsible for real-time YOLO object inference. Thank you for watching this system walkthrough.